Hello, truck friends. A batch of rear taillights arrived today. This rear taillight is suitable for Dongfeng Tianlong models. The one I'm holding now is the left rear taillight of the driver's side. Let me show you the position of the screws on the back. You can see that our workmanship is very fine. Next, let me show you the rear taillight on the right of the co-driver. Our boxes all have the model number. Look at the position of the facing screw on the right. Let's take a look at the connector box, the position of the socket. We have all the rear taillights of other models. We have all in stock in our warehouse. If you need it, please send me a private message.